Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about solid travel toiletries and how long they really last. Welcome to Jane Sees the World. We're just a couple of average gals who love to explore the world. We have limited vacation time, and so we have to make the most out of every single hour. If that sounds familiar to you, please subscribe. We like to share all of our tips and tricks with gals just like you. Today we're talking about how long solid travel toiletries really last. I'd like to add a caveat that everyone is a little bit different, so some of these are going to last me a little bit longer than they're going to last you. For instance, short hair, probably not going to use as much shampoo. However, it still should give you an idea about how long you can really get away with some of these things out on the road. First up is shampoo. I'm a huge fan of solid shampoo. And in general, it goes a lot further than liquid shampoo. 1 solid ounce of shampoo will last you 44 washes. Soap. You're not going to need much of your favorite soap out on the road. 1 solid ounce lasted me 88 washes. That's a really long trip. So soap goes a long ways. Toothpaste. I'm a big fan of powdered toothpaste. 1 ounce of powdered toothpaste will last you 92 brushes. That's a lot of clean teeth. Solid face wash was a new one for me. Quite impressive though, and is hard to use up. 1 solid ounce lasted me 116 washes. I guess because your face, not as much to wash. Solid moisturizer was also a new one for me. I made my own and really liked it. 1 solid ounce went 72 uses. Very respectable. I also make my own solid lotion bars, and they go much further than liquid. 1 solid ounce of a lotion bar will last you 22 uses. That's legs, arms, kind of all over the exterior limbs. Lotion bars, great for travel. Last but not least was a solid shave soap. And again, this was a first time I'd ever used something like this, but I'm a new fan and not just for travel. This puppy will go much further than your shave cream. 1 solid ounce of shave soap lasted me 56 shaves. That's legs and underarms. Whoa. So yeah, there you have it. How long solid travel toiletries will actually last you. It's a lot. So get out there, get a few of them, and try them out there on the road. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it useful, please like, please subscribe, and let us know if you have any favorite solid travel toiletries that you prefer out there, because I'd love to try them. See you next time.